Hey friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa, and today I want to share something new with you. We often hear the same advice. Shadow every day, speak out loud. Yes, those are good. But today, I will show you 7 new habits that will help you become more fluent in speaking English. They are different, they are powerful, and they are simple. You can do them at home, you can do them every day, and they will help you speak English more fluently. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin with habit number 1. Habit 1, micro retelling. It's called micro retelling. Now that sounds like a big word, but don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. Micro means small. Retelling means telling again. So, micro retelling means telling a small story again in your own words. You don't need to speak for a long time. You don't need difficult grammar. You just tell the story in simple English. Step 1. Watch or listen. Choose something short in English. 1 or 2 minutes is enough. It could be a short video, a movie scene, a podcast clip, a cartoon, or a news clip. Watch carefully. Try to understand the main idea. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Step 2. Stop and retell. Close the video and tell the story again in your own words. You don't need to remember every word. Just say what happened. For example, you watch a short video. A cat is walking. The cat sees a box. The cat jumps into the box and looks happy. Now you say, the cat saw a box. It jumped inside. It looked happy. That's it. You just did micro retelling. This habit helps you remember new words, practice real English, build confidence, and speak faster and more naturally. It only takes 5 minutes, but over time, the results are huge. Habit 2, ready responses. Habit number 2 is called ready responses. This means you prepare your answers before the situation happens. Sometimes someone speaks to you and your brain freezes. That's normal, but we can fix this. A ready response is a short, natural sentence you can use in daily life. For example, someone says, "You look nice today." You can say, "Thanks, that's so kind of you." "Oh, thank you, that made my day." "Really, I appreciate it." Simple. Another situation, "How was your weekend?" You can say, "It was good, thanks. Just relaxed at home." "Pretty quiet." "I watched some movies." "Nice, actually. I went to the park." When you practice these responses every day, they become automatic. To build this habit, choose one situation a day. Think of 2 or 3 answers. Say them out loud. Repeat them tomorrow. Then use them in real life or in your mind. Just 5 minutes a day. Habit 3, 2-minute reactions. Habit number 3 is called 2-minute reactions. You watch or listen to something, then you speak your thoughts for 2 minutes. This helps you think in English and express your own ideas. Step 1, watch something short. Step 2, stop and react. Talk about what you saw, what you liked, what you didn't like, or what it reminded you of. For example, you watch a dog playing in the snow. You might say, "That was so cute. I love dogs. They always look happy. I don't have a dog, but I want one someday." Another example is a quote, "Be kind. Everyone is fighting a hard battle." You could say, "This quote is meaningful. We don't know what others are going through, so we should be kind." This habit builds confidence, speed, and real-life speaking skills. Habit 4, your phrase bank. Habit number 4 is your phrase bank. A phrase bank is where you collect useful English phrases so you can use them easily. When you hear a phrase you like, stop and notice it. Write it down. For example, "It's not a big deal," meaning, "It's not a problem." Example, "Sorry I'm late." It's not a big deal. Repeat the phrase out loud. Use it in messages or conversations. 1 phrase a day is enough. In 1 year, you'll have hundreds of natural phrases you can really use. Habit 5. Fluency Loops habit number 5 is called Fluency Loops. This means saying the same idea in different ways. For example, I stayed home, I watched a movie. Now say it again with more detail. I didn't go out yesterday. I stayed home and watched a movie on Netflix. Now add feeling. I needed a quiet day. Staying home and watching a movie felt really good. This trains flexibility and helps you sound more natural. Habit 6. Copy 10 seconds of a movie. Habit number 6 is copying 10 seconds of a movie or show. Watch a short clip. Then copy the words, the tone, the pauses, and the emotion. You're not just speaking, you're acting. This helps your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Habit 7. What would I say? The final habit is called What Would I Say? You imagine a real-life situation and practice what you would say. For example, you're at a cafe. You might say, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please? I'd like a small cappuccino, please. 1 black coffee to go, please." When the real moment comes, your brain is ready. So, my friend, today you learned 7 powerful habits to improve your English fluency. Remember, fluency is not magic. It's not talent. It's a habit. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can change everything. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. You're doing great. I'm Jenifa, and this is Learn and Success. Bye for now.